You are tuned in to the 5-Minute Signal. I am Aris Sterling, Performance Research Expert. This is not a health podcast. This is your maintenance manual for the body. We don't do hope here. We do reality. 5 minutes on the clock. Let's get to work. We begin with the news today. A major paradigm shift has been confirmed by researchers at Stanford and University College London. For a century, we have treated the human body as a singular unit that ages linearly according to the calendar. That model is dead. New proteomic data, published in late 2025, proves that our internal organs operate on independent biological clocks. By analyzing over 5,000 proteins in the blood, scientists have developed organ-specific aging clocks for 11 major systems, including the brain, heart, and immune system. The data is startling. Roughly 20% of apparently healthy adults over age 50 are walking around with at least one organ that is aging at an accelerated rate, often appearing 10 to 15 years older than their chronological age. This is not a theoretical exercise. These age gaps are highly predictive. An old heart predicts a 250% increase in heart failure risk, while an accelerated immune system clock is now linked more closely to future dementia than the age of the brain itself. Why does this matter? It matters because feeling healthy is no longer an acceptable metric for performance. You can have the physique of a 30-year-old and the lungs of a 60-year-old without knowing it until the system reaches a breaking point. This research highlights the asynchrony of aging. It explains why a marathon runner can drop dead of a cardiac event, or why a clean eater can still succumb to rapid cognitive decline. Your weakest link is your true biological age. If you are only managing your health based on generalities, like eating well or moving more, you are ignoring the specific silent decay occurring in your most vulnerable systems. We are moving into the era of precision maintenance, where the goal is to identify and stabilize the outlier organ before it triggers a systemic collapse.
Here is the hard truth. Your body is a collection of parts with different expiration dates. The average of your health is a lie that conceals specific failure points. Most people are organ unbalanced. You might be optimizing for muscle mass while your kidneys are under extreme stress from oversupplementation, or your immune system is being prematurely aged by chronic low-grade inflammation. The most dangerous revelation from the recent Nature studies is that the immune system acts as the master regulator. When your immune age accelerates, it creates a pro-aging environment that drags every other organ down with it. If your immune system is old, it stops patrolling for senescent cells and starts attacking your own tissues. You aren't just getting older, you are being dismantled from the inside by a defense system that has lost its internal compass.
Let's move to the actionable move. To synchronize your internal clocks and protect your master regulator, execute these 3 tactical steps. Number 1. Targeted immunological recovery. Since the immune system is the gatekeeper of longevity, you must prioritize its reset mechanisms. The most potent tool is not a pill, but the strict regulation of the lymphatic system through deep sleep and thermal stress. Aim for a consistent 7 to 9 hour sleep window. Sleep deprivation is the fastest way to accelerate immune aging by suppressing T-cell function. Additionally, utilize deliberate cold exposure twice a week to trigger the release of norepinephrine, which modulates the immune response and helps clear systemic inflammation. Number 2. Monitor the organ gaps through advanced diagnostics. Stop relying on basic blood panels that only look for disease. Request a proteomic aging clock test or a high-sensitivity C-reactive protein test to measure systemic inflammation. If you have access to MRI screening, use it to establish a baseline for organ volume. You cannot manage what you do not measure. Identifying an organ that is aging faster than your chronological age allows you to shift your training and nutrition to support that specific system before the damage is irreversible.
Number 3. Implement a senolytic nutritional strategy. To prevent the accumulation of zombie senescent cells that age your organs, incorporate specific flavonoids that have been shown to clear these cells. Focus on high-dose quercetin and fisetin found in capers, red onions, and strawberries. These compounds act as a cleanup crew for your tissues, ensuring that the older cells don't linger and accelerate the aging of their neighbors. Keeping your cellular environment clean is the only way to keep your organ clock synchronized.
I'm Aris Sterling. This has been the 5-Minute Signal. Stay sharp. This program is for informational and educational purposes only. Performance Research Expert Aris Sterling is not a licensed medical professional. This content is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making any health-related decisions.